National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Jasper, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Jasper and Ebenezer around 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Brownville around 11:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sam Rayburn Dam. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.